J.J. Watt goes Mortal Kombat on a Bengals offensive lineman. Hey, thanks for tuning into the Fumble. For more awesome sports news and commentary, make sure you click subscribe and join the notification squad for updates on all the latest. I'm your host, Britt Johnson. I can't believe it's already week 2 of the NFL football season. Only 15 more weeks left before the regular season is over. Isn't that so crazy? Well, I am trying to soak up as much amazing football as I can while it's still here, but Thursday night's Houston Texans vs. Cincinnati Bengals game didn't help very much. If you happened to catch the game, it wasn't very exciting at all. Rookie quarterback Deshaun Watson made his NFL debut as a starting quarterback, and the Bengals unsuccessfully tried to get their first touchdown of the season. What did you guys think of Watson's first start? Let me know in the comments below. Well, like I said, it wasn't a very eventful game, so most people tuned out before the game was even over. If you did, you might have missed this in the final moments of the game. Bengals quarterback Andy Dalton threw a lateral pass to his center, who got denied, destroyed, bulldozed, whatever you want to call it, by J.J. Watt to finish the game. J.J. Watt is just out here killing people's dreams. Gosh, J.J., you always do that. With the help of J.J. Watt, the Texans went on to win their first game of the season, 13-9. J.J. Watt has done more for the city of Houston than just win football games. Friday, September 15th is the last day to donate to J.J. Watt's charity to help the victims of Hurricane Harvey. He currently has raised over $33 million after having an original goal of $200,000. Should more athletes step up to help the community like J.J. did? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and shop the Fumble store before you go, and I'll see you soon.